Nokia ruled with endless flair, models stacked with sturdy care. Snake in tones, a timeless beat, design so bold yet so discreet. Sony Ericsson, sleek and bright, Walkman sounds through day and night. Flip and slide with neon glow, texting fast like pro in flow. Samsung clicked with style and grace, polyphonic dreams in place. Infrared and silver shell, Ringtone knew that vibe so well. Motorola, bold and wide, razor sharp with rebel pride. Metal frames and vivid hue, calling felt like breaking through. Pantic whispered soft and small, curved like pebbles, cute for all. Hidden gems with gentle charm, pocket-sized and safe from harm. Sage and rare but full of soul, French finesse in every scroll. Ringtone saw the art inside, buttons shaped with quiet pride. Each device a memory lane, before the swipe, before the brain. Ringtone walks where pixels fade, in tones and keys their dreams are laid. Motorola, bold and wide, razor sharp with rebel pride. Metal frames and vivid hue, calling felt like breaking through. Motorola, bold and wide, razor sharp with rebel pride. Metal frames and vivid hue, calling felt like breaking through. Hectic whispered soft and small, curved like pebbles, cute for all. Hidden gems with gentle charm, pocket-sized and safe from harm.